Wash hands frequently and thoroughly with soap, building up a good lather, fingers pointed downward under warm, not hot, warm running water for 15 to 20 seconds. That comes from the Federal Occupational Safety Hazard Administration, known as OSHA. Also now the CDC, etc., and all the doctors and all the TV channels and everything else. Good evening. Welcome back to the kitchen. Tonight we're doing something special. We've got some beautiful arugula. This is all washed and prepped. Of course, everything is organic. And we're making a salad tonight. Let me talk to you about this. Tonight we have our antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, pro-immunity, pro-oxygenation salad. I learned this from two fabulous cousins of mine, cousins Darla and Lisa, and they both make this salad. It's organic arugula, and also prepped here I have some organic pomegranate kernels. Everything is ready to go. We're going to go wild, put them all in there. Maybe I'll eat one. So, this salad is so healthy, and it's so fabulous. We're going to talk all about what it does. But, yeah. So, the girls make this salad, and they each do their own kind of spin on it. Lisa does the dressing on top. That's more poetry. Darla does the dressing on the side and emulsifies it together. That's more prose. But both of the versions are equally healthy, equally delicious. It all depends on what you want to do. I'm going to do it Darla style tonight because I want you to see it step by step, methodically. Then another night we'll do it Lisa style. Okay, so we have our arugula and our pomegranate. Next, we have an organic lemon. If you see some seeds, take them out. If you don't see some seeds, don't take them out. It's not that big a deal. These are organic. So we're going to have squeeze that lemon really well. Get some pulp in there. Get some of the white part in there. That's where we have the bioflavonoids, which are strongly anti-inflammatory, and they work with vitamin C. Vitamin C is, of course, is present in the citrus, and it goes like the vitamin C boosts up the immunity, and the bioflavonoids reduce the inflammation. Because when you get a squadron full of firefighters and SWAT troopers and commandos storming a scene, it can get pretty messy. So we have to make sure that immunological response stays in a methodical, controlled manner and doesn't get chaotic, so that we don't go into a cytokine inflammatory cascade. Nowadays, they call it the cytokine storm. And that's where so much is getting killed at once, the body gets overloaded in the inflammatory process and can tragically perish, for situations like we have on the news these days. Or, if not, can make you feel really lousy, if it doesn't go that far. So this salad will help because while the lemon itself provides the vitamin C, the lemon rind and pulp provides the bioflavonoids, the pomegranate, there might be another seed or two in there, so what? The pomegranate supplies anti-inflammatory compounds, while the arugula supplies the detoxification compounds with the chlorophyll and all of the bitter oils. Now, we've got our lemon. We're going to put a little bit of, you don't have to do this if you're doing the no oil thing, but we're going to do some tonight. A little bit of organic extra virgin olive oil. This is really good organic Sicilian extra virgin olive oil from a company called Bono. Discovered them recently and I like it a lot. A little bit in there. So some people do the no oil thing. Totally respect that. Totally understand that. There is a medical place for it under certain circumstances. If, however, you are using oil, especially olive oil, one, of course, it should be organic, it should be cold pressed extra virgin, but you should have it in the presence of dark green leafy vegetables. You should have it in the presence of something like pomegranate or tomato. They provide anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds, so that when the olive oil exerts a little bit of a pressure to decrease flow-mediated dilation, which narrows the blood vessels a little bit, these things will open up the blood vessels. The natural acid in the lemon, or if you were to use organic balsamic vinegar or organic apple cider vinegar or organic brown rice vinegar, those organic acids would provide nitric oxide synthase, which is the enzyme that allows nitric oxide to be released and become functional, which will then dilate the blood vessels. So it reverses any inhibition on flow-mediated dilation. A little bit of sea salt. Celtic sea salt. This is the good stuff. Give this a little spin. If you want to put a cap on and shake it up, you can do that. This is a really user-friendly salad to make. Now, in here we got a little pulp. We're going to scrape some out. Get some onto here. You want the white part of your citrus. You want the white part of the peppers. You want the white part of the tomatoes. Yes, the white part of the peppers, including the seeds, unless you have, as long as you don't have diverticulitis or diverticulosis, you can use the seeds. Vitamin C and bioflavonoids in those seeds. You want that. Give it a little toss. We're not smothering this in dressing. It's just a light crowning. What is this salad going to do for us? Promote blood flow. Reduce inflammation. Promote good immunity. Reduce free radical oxidation. Promote tissue oxygenation. Cap back on the oil. Promote repair of DNA. Did I say promote blood flow? Chlorophyll, carotenoids, electrolytes, vitamin C, bioflavonoids, enzymes, liver cleansing, magnetic liver ionization. For spring season, if you wanted to put a little touch, like a half a teaspoon of organic maple syrup into this dressing, you can. It will promote liver cleansing, especially combined with the lemon. Okay. Thank you for being here. Thank you, cousins Lisa and Darla. Darla and Lisa, for making this beautiful salad for us so many times over the years when all us cousins get together and hang around. keeping us strong. With food and love and laughter and stories and music and bitter greens. All right, you ready to try? I'm ready to try. Oh yeah. Magnificent. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Maybe one more bite, just because. I'm gonna eat this whole thing tonight. As soon as you leave. Okay. So, these are strenuous times. Call your loved ones. Call your cousins. Call your mom, your dad. Call whoever is with you. Call your neighbors. Check in on the people you love. Check in on the people you don't really dig too much. And you say, you know what? Sometimes you get on my nerves, but I just want to check that you're okay. We can still maintain our bonds even though we're further than 6 feet apart. We can still maintain healthy, loving relationships even though we're not sitting at the same table much of the time. We can still nourish the part of ourselves and others that thrive from the knowledge of being loved, from the knowledge of being accepted unconditionally, from the knowledge of being appreciated. And we need to do all this. We haven't seen a situation like this in just over 100 years. But we can get through. We will get through. Here we go. Stay healthy. Stay strong. Stay in love. Stay nourishing the lymphatic system and the immune system, the respiratory system, the digestive system, the cardiovascular system, the love system, the love system, the love system. Stay together. Stay hopeful. Stay faithful. Stay joyful. And if you need us, if you need me, leave me a message. We'll get back to you. We'll get through this. We'll see you soon. Peace. Take care for now.